Another day at the junkyard, walking around looking for a 98 Chevy, a 4x4, a 4L60E. Right into this beauty right here, 98 Suburban. Just when I thought there was nothing there, waiting for me. Oh man, that was like the new converter too. Oil smells good and everything, so go ahead and just pull off the transfer case. It looks like, yup, I'm done. Beautiful day, nice and wrecked. Oil smells good. Take it. Let's go grab the tools. No way. Wow. Apparently I wasn't recording right now. Oh, that sucks. Let me see. Just pulled off all these bolts right here from the transfer case. Boom, boom. On the last one right here. Anyways, I'm on the last one right here. And I think I need to clean my screen. It's like messing with the button here on the record. It's like going on and off, but there should drop right now as soon as I pull this baby off. So let's see if I can record it without it messing up. Hopefully it doesn't fall on my phone. That would suck. Separated, you gotta be careful because these things will just slip out sometimes. No warning. Cut off the light real quick. I need to sharpen these things, even though they're already kind of loose a little bit. Coming on, that's not a good sign. Hoping it's just from the rain. It should be from the rain. It's not a good sign at all. Let's see. I haven't been under here for more than like 10 minutes, so it's no good. It's not too much wasted time. Yank it from the front. Probably the safest way to do it. Grab my phone. As smooth as I wanted to come off, but there she is. Really hoping there's no water in here. Get this baby cleaned up. Man, well, I mentioned, but this thing's a rebuilt one too. Has a new harness on it. Anyways, let's clean this up. of work out there, but yeah, it's definitely rebuilt. So it's just painted. Nice too. Let's get over here. Stuff up. Yankee Suburban. Got something there to go. That was a fun one. Let's see what it seems behind. Good. 3 minutes. Check up here. Go home.